Hello and a warm welcome to all. Welcome for the today's session. The title for this particular video is what is Publons indexing. So we are continuing our series of journals indexing, and today we will discuss about Publons indexing. Now Publons is a commercial website that provides free services for academics to track, verify and showcase their peer review and editorial contributions for academic journals. It was launched in 2012 and was brought by Clariot Analytics in 2017, which also owns Web of Science, EndNotes and ScholarOne. It claims that over 2 lakh researchers have joined the site, adding more information and more millions of reviews across the 25,000 journals. So first of all, what is Publons? We have already discussed its introduction. So Publon is a website that provides free services for academic track. Okay, the home of the expert peer review and reviewer recognition training, post publication review and statistics. Also manages the peer review, the metric of the reviewer, and reviewers record how manage review the academic peer reviews journal. Now this is the basic information. The site name is Publons. URL is publons.com. Then main function, manage the peer review matrix, established in 2012. Foundation by Andrew Pestron and Daniel Johnstone. Operated by Clariot Analytics 2017, a Web of Science. Then profile, you can see, and the current review is 6.9 million. And partner journals are 5,000 plus. So these are the founders, you can see on your screen. Now, what services did provided by the Publon? The first one is manage peer review matrix of the reviewer, post review after the publication of the article, then maintain peer review journals and records, tools for the publisher to find, screen, contact and motivate peer reviews, data and publications about global peer review behavior, peer review training for early career researchers, features for the academics to discuss and evaluate published research. Now, why Publon is useful for reviewers, author, editors, publishers, young researchers and librarians? The answer is very simple. It can manage the review records and showcase them online, and public can access, view the peer review records of any specific reviewer. Then author also can know about the reviewer of their respective field and journals they have reviewed. Editor can view the reviewer profile and find suitable reviewer for the peer review of manuscript of their respective journal. So currently Publon has more than 6.9 plus millions views with 5,000 partner journals and 25,000 plus its own indexed journals. Now these are also helpful for publisher. Publons can partnership with the major publishers including Springer, Nature, Taylor and Francis, Oxford University Press, BMJ, Sage, Ville Emerland and many more. So young researchers can also know about the peer review and Publons, and for librarians it inform their respective researchers about the Publon sites for the peer review and how it is useful for the researchers, scholar and authors as well. So this was all about the Publons indexing. We are continuing with the many indexing databases as well. We have already covered what is Scopus, what is Web of Science and what is UGC Care. Now this particular video was for Publons indexing. If you have any further queries, do not forget to comment in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe to Research Circle channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.